What's going on, YouTube Nation? Nando Speed back on. Hitting you up with these quick updates. So my rims, tires, and BC coilovers all came in and got it all done. Pretty much all in the same day. So let's take a look. Bam. And I honestly believe it looks really slamming. The white is not totally matching, but it's doing a good job. Once again, I got the rims from AC Wheels, or AC Racing. I think it's called AC Wheels, but considered AC Racing. 20-inch rims. The tires, 265, 35, 20. Didn't want to go no wider than 265. The 265s was pretty decent for me, I believe. I think it's sitting pretty nice with that. Got enough grip, I believe. Yeah, so it's looking nice. It's lowered just right enough height, I would believe. You know, not scrubbing. I would say the Georgia roads is not that kind out here. So it's a little, I need to get the dampering set, get it a little bit more stiff, get a little bit more stiffer ride. But yes, so that was just a quick video. Kids riding around, having fun out on the streets. You know, Thanksgiving weekend, I guess. Yeah, I just wanted to get that update because, you know, if someone asks for it and I could do it, I will definitely do it. So the last video I posted, I did post the sound of it, but for some reason he didn't rev it good, or it didn't sound loud enough for you to hear it. But I will definitely rev it cold start right now for the altercations that I did with the muffler deletes and resonator deletes. So that was 2 mufflers deletes on both sides, and the 2 resonators that goes up, and it's actually another resonator to the top once everything is joined. All of those are cut off and piped. So let me do this real quick and let's keep it moving. So that is the cold start. And to me, it sounds good enough. It's not that loud, but it's not that soft as well. It actually dies out the sound of it when the idle goes down a little bit more. But it still sounds good. You can hear little pops. So, you know, I got a lot more work coming. K-tuner, intercooler. Definitely getting that done. Been looking around for an intake and not really seeing too much luck on those intakes. So been thinking about doing a rig up. So you might see that on the next video. All right, take care.